1 million years ago, the life of human was dominated by an extinct species called Homo erectus, Latin for upright man. This period was part of the Lower Paleolithic, Old Stone Age. Life was primitive, challenging, and characterized by a nomadic hunter-gatherer existence. Here are the key characteristics of human life 1 million years ago. 1. The species, Homo erectus. Appearance. Homo erectus was the first human relative to have body proportions similar to modern humans, long legs and shorter arms compared to the torso, which made them efficient at walking and running long distances. They had an upright posture. Physical differences. Their skulls were thicker and their brains were smaller than Homo sapiens, modern humans, averaging about 1,050 cubic centimeters, compared to 1,350 cubic centimeters for modern humans. They also had prominent brow ridges and a receding forehead. Geographic range. Homo erectus was the first hominin species to migrate out of Africa and successfully populate vast regions of Eurasia, including East Asia, China and Indonesia, and parts of Europe, demonstrating remarkable adaptability. 2. Tools and technology. Acheulean technology. The defining tool of this era was the hand axe, Acheulean technology. These were sophisticated, pear-shaped stone tools, often symmetrically chipped on both sides, and used for butchering animals, scraping hides, and digging. Simple tools. They also used simpler stone choppers and flakes, Oldowan technology. Fire. While the earliest definitive evidence of controlled fire is debated, hominins during this general time frame were likely beginning to master its use. Fire provided warmth, protection from predators, light, and, most importantly, allowed for cooking meat, which made food easier to digest and provided more energy to support their growing brains. 3. Lifestyle and survival. Hunter-gatherers. Homo erectus were active hunter-gatherers. They lived in small, mobile groups, following animal herds and migrating based on seasonal changes and food availability. Hunting. Their long-legged physique is thought to have evolved to facilitate long-distance running, useful for persistence hunting. Their diet included a significant amount of meat, scavenged and actively hunted, along with plant resources. Shelter. They occupied natural, favorable regions, often near water sources. They likely used simple shelters or occupied caves. High infant mortality. Life expectancy was short, and survival was a constant struggle against a harsh environment, disease, and large predators. Social life. There is evidence that Homo erectus cared for old and weak individuals, suggesting a level of social cooperation and compassion. The controlled use of fire is also thought to have fostered social interaction and bonding around the campfire. In essence, 1 million years ago, the most advanced form of human was a resilient, tool-making nomad who had successfully colonized multiple continents and laid the groundwork for the later evolution of other human species.